So we're downstairs, back next door. The lads have been busy this side. Don't know if you saw in the last video how clean it was down here, but now look at that stuff. But still got the big stones coming out of that wall. But apart from that, we have what will be the window. So we've knocked out, shuttered up both sides. We've got obviously concrete there, concrete that side. Up above we have a big oak lintel, and then we build up to support the wall above. So we'll be able to do that next week. Started to get some breeze blocks in ready for the wall that will be going just here. The floor's being dug out. That's been shuttered off and concreted. We've got to put a new purlin in there to support the roof structure, because I don't know what the previous guys did, but it's just sitting there, it's not actually in the wall. But yeah, so the floor's being dug out in here. So we've gone down about 15 centimeters. So we've got 4 inches of concrete, plus then we've got sort of 600 mil of floor insulation, and then the membrane to stop any damp coming up. So that's this week's up to date, yeah, for both jobs. So obviously we're flooring up that side, and we're doing here. Just another quick one, we've got to dig a trench all through the house, because this eventually will all be dug out to floor level, because the floor is quite a bit higher, so we need to save any damp coming through, and also that then you can go outside, sit outside and use that before going up to the garden. So yeah, that's like I said, that's this week's. Hope you guys are enjoying the videos. We're almost getting to 100, which is this year's goal. We're at 88, so just please share the videos. Make sure that, you know, if you're not subscribed, just hit that button. It's free, it doesn't cost a thing, and click a like button and a comment. So hopefully, you know, carry on doing these videos. So have a good weekend.